through the G.R.A.C.E course, my biggest change after the course would be my morning and night routine. I am the person who in control of my life. Like I can't blame it on the outside factors. Because it's raining, I can't go run. Because it's cold, I can't exercise. I decided to not do those things.
I have been overweight for quite a while. It's not okay anymore. I'm telling everybody about it and try to make other people help me be accountable.
I truly learned things that I had never thought I would learn. I thought I was an empathetic person. I thought I had embodied all these attributes, but you really took me deeper. And so now I can truly see like how I can start applying these in a truly authentic way.
Through that coaching and just going through this program and just forcing me to reflect, really helped me have the courage to just be myself and just do what I think is right for me. This was perfect timing, really, because I'm gonna soar. I feel I'm gonna take off.
And that's the safe haven that G.R.A.C.E has always provided, from the coaches to the members and beyond. So you're taking G.R.A.C.E with you. And that's holistically been my experience.
I really am very appreciative with the connection that you've put with mindfulness, and as you've all known, mindfulness is very foundational in my life as well. And the way you've kind of brought it together, I am really helps me to kind of extend my practice. So I look forward to helping to kind of facilitate this framework so that more kids can have the tools so that they can really live their best life.
This really works. It's a game changer, and I do it I can't go a day without doing it. It just in my business, in my home life, in everything. Thank you, everybody. It's been awesome knowing you, being here. Love you lots.